In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a logo to a video in CapCut PC. To do that, what we're going to do is click on Import. Then we're going to go ahead and find our logo. In this case, we'll use this one. We'll say Open. Then we're going to take our logo, we'll drag it on top of our main clip. So you can see we now have the logo on the video, but it's way too big. So on the right hand side, we're going to go to Basic, and then we can use Scale right here to make it smaller. You could also take it right here and pinch it this way, and then we'll put it in the location that we want. We'll go with right there, and then say play. And then if you want the logo to be the entire video, you just drag it throughout the whole clip, hit play, and your logo will be there. In this case, I don't want the white background though. I want to get rid of this. I want it to be transparent. So I'm going to use Photoshop, and I'm going to open my logo in Photoshop. I'm going to go ahead and right click right here. I'm going to say duplicate, make a duplicate image. I'm going to take this, I'm going to drag it over a little bit. Then I'm going to go back to this one. I'm going to click on it, and I'm going to drag it over. So you can see now I have two layers, and then I'm going to just try to line it up as best I can. It's hard to see with the white background, but we'll just go like that. Then I'm going to select the bottom or the background layer. I'm going to click on it twice. Then I'm going to click OK. That'll unlock the layer. Then I'm going to click on opacity, bring this down to 0, and I'm going to click on fill and bring this down to 0. Then I'm going to click on the top layer or layer 1. Then I'm going to go select the magic wand tool right here on the left. Then I'm going to just click in the white area right here outside the logo. Then I'm going to go up to edit and cut. Now you can see we have a transparent background. We still have a little gray right here, so I'm going to use the magic wand tool again. Click on the gray. Then I'm going to say edit, cut. So that looks good. Now I'm going to go ahead and save this. File, save as. I'll say save a copy. Logo 2. And then we'll save it. File type, we'll save as a PNG. Save, click OK. Let's go back to CapCut. Let's click on Import. There's logo 2. Click Open. Let's go ahead and delete the one that has the white background. Take our transparent logo, place it on top of the main clip. Then let's go over and resize it. And let's drag it over to where we want it to be. Right about there looks good. Then let's drag it for the entire clip of the video. Hit play. And now we have our logo in the video. Please leave a like and consider subscribing for more tutorials. See you in the next one.